Okay, so here we go. So what is a near miss? It's an event where a collision almost happened, and it's also if you make a minor fault. A minor fault is a near miss, and the implications of it are that can become serious, and I will show it to you statistically tonight. These are examples. You missed a signal, you brake too late, or you swerve to avoid something, or you didn't anticipate that the light was going red and you went through the amber light and it turned red while you were halfway through the junction. Those are near misses. And a near miss is not a success, guys. You got to cross that out, not do it. Understand that near miss is not a success. A near miss is an indication that you are doing something wrong, and that is serious as far as that is concerned. Now let's talk about this. This is your challenge. All right, I'm going to get my pencil out. I was coming down this road onto a roundabout. This is me. I'm coming down the road onto a roundabout. I went around the roundabout. I was going to the right. So obviously, guys, what did I signal going onto the roundabout to go to the third exit? I wanted to go to this exit here, this one. Yes, I signal right and I keep right. The exit is past 12 o'clock. It's an open roundabout. I go into the open roundabout, and as I get to where the second exit is, this is exit number 1, this is exit number 2. So as I get to exit number 2, put on my left signal. So I've got my left signal on, and I move to the left, and I go out of the roundabout, and then I go up the road, and this next road's not far away, and as I get here, a car jumps out literally right in front of me, turning right. It was turning right like that, and I barely had enough time to stop and not hit that car. Now that was a near miss, wasn't it? So that car came out of that junction, it went out in front of me, and I hit the brakes, and it was a near miss. And I'm effing and blinding for this idiot that just did that. Said, what are you up to? And I got my fist out the window and all the rest of it. And this guy looks like he doesn't know what hit him. Or the guy that I near missed doesn't understand what's going on. Now guys, what is it? What do you think? What was the fault? Right on the roundabout, I've got my right signal on. I pass the second exit. Now I look in my mirrors, my left signal, and I come off the roundabout, and then there's a junction not far away. There's a car turning right in front of me. Why did he turn out? Yes, I didn't cancel my signal. Here I am wanting to beat this guy up because he jumped out in front of me down the road. Still had my left signal on. Yes guys, so your problem here is that identifying the fault and making sure that you can always look at how to prevent that possible near miss. Look back at the near miss, look at what you didn't observe, look at what you didn't do right, and be honest with yourself, because if you don't find the fault on the near miss, the fault is going to turn into a serious accident. So when it comes to examiners, they are also doing an analysis of your driving. So if you are signaling a bit too late, or you're not cancelling your signal after you've pulled up, or you're not taking sufficient caution when you're coming up to a junction, if all these things are happening, then there's nothing you can do at the end that's going to convince that examiner you're going to be safe, and he's going to be marking you for minor faults. So that's why you must be careful of that.